The baby's gonna get me! You're gonna get me! Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat mommy! Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat a house! You're gonna get me! Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat the farms. Are you gonna get me? Are you gonna get me, baby? Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat her feet. Oh, she's got it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Ari got your feet. Baby's gonna get me. Oh, leave her feet alone. Leave her feet alone. Put them down. Put them down.
I got the feet.
Put them down. Put them down. Thank you. Baby's gonna get me.
Oh, baby, eat the mommy.
Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat the mommy.
Oh, baby, eat letters.
Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat the letters.
Oh, baby, eat the house. Oh, baby, eat the phones.
You're in trouble, Greta.
Eat the browns.
Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat the barns. Good idea. Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat the W.
Oh, baby, eat the W.
Uh-oh, she's got it.
He got the W. Thank you. Baby, eat the W.
Uh-oh, baby's gonna eat the baby. No, she can eat the baby. That's okay. Can she eat the baby, please? She's coming. Oh, she really wanted the baby. Can she have the baby back? Can she have Potty Doll back? No, those are hers. Give them back. Give them back. Those are hers. Can she have the lion, please? Oh, that's good. Yeah, give her the elephant. Uh-oh. Baby's full of trouble. Uh-oh, baby's gonna get the potty doll, but that's okay because it's her potty doll.
What's the potty doll?
I need the potty doll. Hello, potty doll.
Hi. Hi.
I want the baby to eat the potty doll. She likes it. Let her eat it. Thank you. Yeah, that was very nice of you to give her the lion. Alright, what does the lion say? Alright, can you do your creepy mommy voice? Do the mommy. Can you do mommy? Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yay. Here, baby. Eat the baby. Yummy. Kicking. Hi. Hey, Ari, where does your pee and poop go?
At the party.
Do big girls put their pee and poop in their diaper?
No, that goes.
Where does it go?
At the party. No, it's going party. Oh, mommy.
Are you wearing a diaper?
Mommy.
Ari, are you wearing a diaper?
Have my baby.
Mm.
Daddy, da.
Here's your baby.
Okay. Daddy, da, I'm a dog. Daddy, da, I'm a dog. Daddy, da, I'm a dog.
Yay!
How does see the baby I wanna mommy.
Which one's Ari, Elmo? Where's Ari, Elmo?
Yeah, right there.
Where's baby Elmo?
Right there.
And where's mommy Elmo?
Right there.
That's right.
The mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Okay, say bye-bye, Greta. Bye-bye.